Hi, I'm Chris from Napkyn. In the video today, we're going to take a look at how to set a comparison date range so you can compare your data to a previous period or even a previous year to enable year-over-year reporting. Here, this is how you do it. Go to any of the reports in the reports column on the left-hand side. This technique will work in acquisition, traffic acquisition, engagement, any of those reports will do. Then go up to the top right corner where you pick your date range and click there. Select a date range for the data that you want to have. In this case, we'll be doing last week from Saturday to Sunday. And then in the bottom of that column, you'll see compare. If you click on the toggle there, it'll enable the comparison date range. It's set to the preceding period, matching the day of the week, but you can set that to same period last year, custom, same period last year. Once you've decided on what comparison date range you want to use, all you need to do is go to the bottom right-hand corner and click Apply. Now you'll see that your data table has changed. You'll see your set date range, and then below that, for every row, you'll see your comparison date range. You're also provided a percentage change in both the top line metrics at the top, and is expressed as a negative for a downward change or a positive for a positive change. You also get a percentage change on each of your data rows. And that is how you set a comparison date range. This is great for helping you do your year-over-year reporting.